Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the WhatsApp contact QR code or scanner. So there are two different options. One is to use that QR code to share with other people, and then the other thing is to scan other people's QR codes. So if you have WhatsApp open here like I do, all you have to do is tap on the settings, and then you'll see right by your name, you'll see to the right of it a blue QR code. And you can tap on that, and what it'll do is it'll pop up with your personal QR code. So if somebody else wants to add you on WhatsApp, they can just tap the little scan button and then scan your QR code, and then it'll immediately add you as their friend. However, if you want to add somebody else to your contact, all you have to do is press the scan button here, and then it'll just pop up with a little camera. And basically what they do is, you get the other person to just put their phone right under your phone so that it scans their QR code, and then it'll automatically be added into your, see it pops up with a little explanation. It'll be added to your contact. So that's it. That's how you both share your QR code as well as scan someone else's QR code. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.